Mate, let's have a look here. Juicy price. Yeah, nice. I do like it. It almost reminds me of back here. You know, where you get these rejections and price grinds its way out. It doesn't just forcefully come out of the situation it's in after this. These rejections. It is green on the week here. You know, you definitely could buy this with a stop below the weekly low. The 2 week, for me, this is still a bullish 2 week candle. There's 6 days left, and I would suggest that it's probably, you know, going to finish a little bit more on the green at least than here. It looks like it will finish have a green week, and it looks like this is an inside bar. Now, if this finishes and closes up here, well, I think the new 2 week candle is a very likely moon candidate to test these highs, and who knows where else it'll go. You know, I'm not saying it's going to do something like that, but you know, it's just got that feeling and that price action that this grind out can start to get explosive here. So, you know, it's probably worth a nibble here. So I paused that, and I'm not sure if it actually caught that recording. But you know, UMA looks good overall. It just may need some wicks down in here to take liquidity, you know, before moving higher. So accumulation on dips is probably the best strategy.